Massive breakout is imminent. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at this nice little horizontal triangle that Terra Luna Classic is currently in. The question is will the support hold right here? Will we break down? Or will we break up? Because we know when we're in a horizontal triangle, we usually end up breaking to the upside, especially when we're coming from the downwards to the upside, because we are in a bullish pattern or bullish trend right now. So starting off with coin markup real quick, the volume is over $500 million, which is fantastic, down 38%. No worries. I mean, it's still 500 million in literally in the weekend. That is very good. The volume to markup is 32.57%, and of course under $1.6 billion in market cap. Ranked, we haven't really changed much, even though we're supposed to be in the top 30, top 20. We are still ranked 208. I don't know why. But something that I do want to have a look at before I get into a technical analysis aspect on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour, it's this right here. MEXC will support, guys. They will support the Lunc upgrade and burning Lunc trading fees. Okay, so as we know, they will be to support the burn tax proposal for Terra Luna Classic Lunc community. MEXC will launch a time-limited burning event for spot trading fees for Lunc USDT and Lunc USDC. So if you guys are a Lunc fan, there's no reason why you should be signing up with MEXC Global right now, because they are number 2, guys. They are supporting. Look at that, top burning entities wallet. So of course, this is including institutions, Binance, and so on. And look at that, they have 5 times more than MEXC. So there is no reason why, once again, you shouldn't be signing up with MEXC exchange. Link will be in my description below. You can get up to $4,100 worth of bonuses. Right here, event period will be from the September 3rd all the way till September 17th, as you guys can see. So I think they're doing it even before the burn, they're 1.2%. And of course, it will be Lunc USDT, Lunc USDC, which is very fantastic. Now they say once the proposal is officially approved and implemented, we will decide whether to extend the event based on feedback from MEXC users. So right now, it's obviously it hasn't even been implemented, and they're still doing the 1.2% burn. So this is what I'm saying. If you're a lunatic, if you're a real true Luna fan, and you are a long-term holder or even a trader, there's no reason why you shouldn't be supporting or even signing up with MEXC Global, which are backed by Bybit. So essentially, this is a very reputable exchange. They have a name, and that's about it. Going into some technical analysis real quick, where can Terra Luna go? Where are we going in the immediate short term? We do have a breakout forming right now. The question is, are we going to close the 1 hour below this support region right here, which ends in 5 minutes and 20 seconds? Now, we saw all these rejection candles. We saw what happened. We came back up. Okay, so this would be the support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got a lot of support, and we have a lot of resistance. Okay, the resistance is getting tighter, volume is decreasing, and when we have volume of decreasing volume, and we're making higher highs right here and lower highs, we're essentially entering a nice little triangle. And this is exactly what happened right here. And guess what happened? We exploded. We absolutely took off from there. So this is what is happening right here. If we have a look on the 4 hour time frame, I wouldn't be too worried just yet, unless we do close the 4 hour, which would be a bigger and more valid confirmation. If we close the 4 hour below the support right here below, which is the yellow line, then it would be bad. And that's about it. But some good news that I do want to talk about is the Stochastic Rsi. Okay, how low can we realistically go on the Stochastic Rsi? Look how low we are. We are in the negatives. Okay, so we need to look for a move to the upside where it's gonna flip green. Okay, this whole thing is gonna end up popping. I mean, I don't remember the last time we were below this region right here. If we actually extend the Stochastic Rsi and we put a line right here, we are actually below. The blue is actually below. The last time we were below, guess when it was? It was right here, September 19th. Guess what happened? We absolutely took off, literally 200%. I don't even know how much that is. Look at 233% we took off. That was the last time we literally were below. So this is actually a very good news. Despite this breakout right here, this could be a potential fake out, guys. We still have 2 hours until the 4 hour closes. Of course, the more time frame closes, the more validation we get, right? We can have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, but the 4 hour is obviously the most important one for a validated closure, right? And we know what happened right here. We had a nice little breakdown, and then boom, came back up, double bottom, and then just took off from here, took off from there, made a nice little horizontal triangle once again. Boom, consolidated before continuing the train, essentially. So this is exactly what is happening for Terra Luna Classic. I know a lot of people are afraid, but I'm going to give you guys 2 targets just for you guys to be ready. I don't want you to be afraid, because I am in this and I won't be trading this right here. Of course, if you want to trade it, it's up to you, but 2 targets. How do you calculate the target? Well, Number one is the breakout. You could have it either right here, which will meet exactly at this nice little support region right here sitting at 15, or if we break to the upside, which is still possible because the 4 hour didn't end, it's all the way to 41, anywhere between 39 to 41. Now, assuming this is a flag, a lot of people say, wait, but crypto does, this is a bull flag, right? Well, if this is a bull flag, you could also do it like that. This could be also another potential target. Okay, so we have 3 potential targets, 2 to the upside and 2 to the downside. Now, to the upside, we have either 40 or 55. Now, 55 would be an insane gain. It would be 130%. Now, we know what happened when we broke out of this area right here. We exploded 115%. So can we have that potential 130% again, 115% again gain? Very, very possible. But I want you guys to get ready just in case that this level right here is also a potential target right here. We could definitely come below this region. Now, something that I do want to have a look at, guys, is these exponential moving average. They've been holding us pretty well, these EMA ribbons. We know what happened when we come back down and retest the exponential moving average, right? We got rejected right here at the EMA ribbon. We got another one right here. It's pretty much following the trend line, and another one right here. So even though we are below this trend line right here, we can still get rejected by these EMA ribbons right here. Okay, so these can still be holding us. Look at that. Ever since we broke out, we've just been bouncing off the EMA ribbon, right? So this is exactly what is happening right now. We're just bouncing. The question is, are we going to hold these EMA ribbons, or are we going to come back down? Right now, it seems like we're holding them. We're going to have to see. I'm not going to be too worried just yet until the 4 hour candle closes. Yes, as I'm making this video, everything is dumping right now. 8%. But like I said, guys, I'm not going to be too worried until we close the 4 hour below. I am in a long. I took a long right here at 21. If you guys are in my trading signal channel, I took a long right here, or I bought on spot. I bought more at 21. So I wouldn't be too worried. I mean, unless we come back down, I break even. Okay, it's all good. This is why you buy dips, right? And we could also potentially double bottom right here. This could be a W pattern. Very possible. So there's a lot of bullish opportunities, especially on the Stochastic RSI. It's probably one of the biggest and most important one. And if I go back to Stochastic RSI, yes, we are dumping, but guess what? This is good time to buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And of course, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace.